cross flow unit, mainly used for the various type of application like MF, UF, NF or RO. First I will introduce the benchtop unit. Here you can see the flat sheet holder, mainly used for the feasibility study. And here you can see the one housing which we have provided for the ceramic membrane. You can try MF, UF or NF based on your requirement. And here you can see the one polymeric membrane installation, that is spiral membrane. So you can also try the spiral type of application like MF, UF, NF or RO. Okay. Now for it's a very easy to install. You can just check which line you have to operate first. Accordingly, open the recirculation valve and close the drain valve. Once you are set, and feed the sample into the feeding tank. Here you can see the feeding tank. Once set is ready, you can just go and switch on the 3-phase plug. Start the main. One main is started. The system is ready. Now you can see here the control panel. Okay, to start the pump, you can first you can see here the green button. So switch on that green button. So pump is started. Now you can adjust the controller flow of the pump by using this VFD. Okay, and here this is the recirculation line which is provided for the ceramic. This is the recirculation line for the spiral, and this is the recirculation line for the flat sheet. So you can operate any one at a time. Okay. Now I will show you here the operation of that spiral membrane. I had opened these two valves of circulation line, and this drain valve are closed. This valve is closed, so there is no passage to the ceramic membrane. Okay. Here can control from here the flow of the recirculation flow rate. Now permeate will come from this side. For the ceramic membrane, your permeate will come from this side, and thus for the flat sheet, permeate will come from this side. Okay. After that installation, permeate, you have collected all the permeate. You can just switch on this red button, reduce the VFD speed. So all system is switched off, and you also switch off the mains. Now some precautions here. You have given the emergency switch. Any problem occur, you can push that button, so system will be shut down. We have given one pressure PRV here, that is the pressure relief valve. If pressure will increase beyond the set point, it will release the pressure. Also its system is earthed, so there is no earthed electrically. Okay, hope you understand the things, and okay, thank you.